What you're going to be doing in this video is using the Excel 365 autofit column width feature. So what we have here is a cell. The cell has content in it, and that content is overlapping the cell and running over into other cells. In this case, it happens to be a sentence. It runs from column A all the way over to column H. But we don't want that. We want the content of what's in the cell to remain within column A. So the way that you do that is simple. You basically highlight the entire column by clicking on the letter A. In this case, you want to make sure the home option is selected on your menu. You want to come down here until you see an icon. You roll over that icon. It says the word format. Click that, and you want to come down to the auto fit column width option. Click that, and as you can see, Excel 365 automatically adjusts the width of the column so that it fits the content in it neatly. There's another way you can do that. I'm going to click undo, and there's a faster way to do it. You simply come up to the top of the column, you move your mouse over to the right until you'll see a crosshair appear. Once that crosshair appears, you double click and you get the same exact effect. And that is how you auto fit a column width in Excel 365. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.